In this video, I want to show you how to copy any color grade from a video clip or a still image and apply it to your footage. So here in the timeline, I have a stock footage clip of a military man in a warehouse and then a screen grab from the film Dune Part 2. And so we're going to copy this color grade and apply it to this stock footage. To do this, we're going to jump over to the color grade tab and we're going to make sure we have our clips window open here in the color grade tab and select the clip you want to apply the color to. Then hold command and click the image or the other clip where you're taking the color grade from, selecting it right here. You can see it highlighted in red. Right click it and go to shot match to this clip. Once you've done this, it's applied a color grade to this clip and you can see it's matched up with the clip or the screen grab that we've done from Dune Part 2. It's matched up here on this stock footage clip, just like that, without you having to do any other adjustments.